How to loop video in CapCut. If any day you would like to use a video editor to loop your video, then the perfect option for you is CapCut. And in order to loop the video in CapCut, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. For that, you have to search CapCut on your very mobile device. After you search CapCut on your very mobile device, you have to tap on CapCut after that. After tapping on CapCut, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the new project there. After you tap on the option of the new project there, you can select any of the videos from the very mobile device to whose you can create a loop there. For example, I tapped on of this video here. This one is a very cool video. So after that, you can see an interface like this. This is a video that I uploaded. After that, you can tap on the video and also check. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the plus icon here. After tapping on the plus icon, you can select the same video, or the next option, which is the better one, is you have to tap on the video out there. After you tap on the video out there, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of the duplicate. After you tap on the option of the duplicate, the very video will be duplicated with the same seconds and with the same time frame there. And this way, the very loop has been created in a form like this. You can see it. This has a loop there. Now you can also add the next video by just tapping on it and also again doing the very duplicate option out there. And this way, next loop will also be created. So this is one of the ideas on how the loop can be created. Now let's create a very cool loop, that is by reversing it. So you need to tap on the second video like this. After you tap on the second video like this, you have to scroll down until you find the option of the reverse there. And when you find the option of the reverse, you need to search in the down sector because you can find there the option of reverse. And when you find the option of reverse, you need to just tap on the option of reverse, and you can have to wait for a while, because after waiting for a while until it's up to 100%, the video will be reversed. You can see it, how cool it has become, the loop, because it has been a reverse loop like this. So thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.